Hey folks, I had a wonderful time yesterday, March 4th, 2025 at the annual Christian Camp and Conference Association Michigan Section Conference there in Hickory Corners, Michigan. The last time I was there was in 2022. I gave what's called a super session presentation. And yesterday, a whole lot of people came up to my vendor table. I only had a vendor table yesterday, but a whole bunch of people came up excited to see me again and told me how much they really enjoyed and loved my presentation in 2022 and how impactful it was. And one lady shared a story that really highlights the need to make sure that all your colleagues and all your partners and co-workers, that everyone is on the same page with basic conflict de-escalation concepts, tips, and techniques. So she was telling me that about a week or so after my presentation back in 2022, an angry person came into her place of work, and she immediately sensed that this person was just upset, not a danger, just angry, frustrated, needed a vent. So she quickly tried to get her colleagues to just give this person some time and space. Unfortunately, they allowed themselves, they got worked up, and they wouldn't listen to her, and they ended up raising their voices. And she said she just had to sit back and sadly watch this avoidable situation just blow up with people yelling and screaming, and it was just so unnecessary and so avoidable. So we talked about how important it would have been and what a difference it would have been if more people there, her colleagues, were aware of the basic tips and concepts that she had learned at my presentation. And then coincidentally, just a few months ago, in January, I think, another friend of mine here in West Michigan reached out to me just to vent and share how frustrated she was because of a situation that happened at her workplace. Same thing. Angry person came in, loud, rude, and obnoxious. Now, she immediately sensed that this person was just frustrated about something. She was a person handling this person, and so she just gave this person time and space and let them vent. And things began to effectively and successfully calm down. This person, vented enough of this agitated stress energy and was coming down. And my friend had everything under control. Things were working out. And she had to get up to leave her desk for a moment. And for some reason, a colleague of hers felt that he had to step in and say something. For some reason, he goes in and start harshly berating this person for their behavior and all that, which of course now this person just blows up. Because in their mind, they was getting the help they needed. They don't necessarily see themselves as being loud, rude, and obnoxious, okay? So in their mind, they're here, they had a problem, it's being fixed, and now this person wants to come here and yell at me and talk to me like this? And it just totally blew up. Folks, organizations and corporations and businesses need to make sure they do not only send supervisors and leaders to de-escalation training. Everyone needs to be on the same page with the basics, the basic concepts, tips, and techniques. That's the only way you're going to be able to work cohesively in a real-world situation. So if you're part of an organization and you guys deal with the public, you serve the public in some way, whether you're a profit or nonprofit, make sure that everybody, not just leaders, not just the front office staff, but everyone goes and learns the basics, learns tips and techniques on how to effectively work together. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed. We'll see ya.